Steve, I'm a huge fan of mill turn technology. DMG Mori's open house just around the corner, you're going to be showing this machine. Tell us what the model is.
This is the NTX2000. We do a smaller machine and we go up 2 sizes as well with the machine.
A very capable machine, which is actually demonstrated here on this demo. Where do you sell these, Steve, in the UK?
We go into Motorsport, which looks at prismatic parts with turning, so this is capable of doing both aspects. We've gone them into oil and gas. This one is actually going off to an oil and gas company, as we know that's coming back into the arena. And general engineering, so you don't have to have something quite specialised, but if you're looking at something that's got turning and milling on and you want to be efficient on low volume, high variety, this is the machine.
There's a big focus at your event on bar, billet, casting and forging. This could be billet, this could be bar, couldn't it? But are you going to be showing automation in line with this, or is that just something that you can adopt with it too? This
machine we can adopt with it. Other machines we've got within the show, so 4 axis horizontal, 5 axis vertical, 3 axis turning, 6 axis turning, we're all showing these with automation on.
Great stuff. The actual B-axis on this, also you can do your gear skiving, can't you? Because this is a big part as well of mill turn technology these days.
This is a great platform for gear skiving, and we're doing a lot of research on that. We're working with various people. We've got them out in the field working, and it's the right platform.
And DMG Mori have a vast experience in mill turn technology, don't they? That should give people confidence, shouldn't it, if they're coming here, not just to look, but to buy a machine like this off you?
Yeah, I mean, it goes back to the Mori days, it goes back to the DMG days, so coming together. Before that was back in the Hitachi days. So a lot of technology, a lot of know-how, a lot of knowledge that has gone into the application of the machine, and of course how the machine is built for a stability.
And when you look at this type of machine and what you're doing with Industry 4 and data, how important is that on this type of technology as well? Because they're not cheap machines and you need to get the best out of them, don't they? So that can really help as well.
It's critical that you do get a return on your investment, in any investment. But when you're spending a lot of money, you need to understand really what it's doing. So we can use the digitalisation platform to actually take information out, analyse that information, look at the condition of the machine under the condition analyser. This is critical for the more expensive investments.
And finally, this application on here, is this a real life component, or is this just a way of showing exactly what the capability of this type of machine is?
This is a standard kind of demonstration we do in the showroom here, which shows all of the features of the machine. So it's showing the gear skiving, it's showing the B-axis, the bottom turret, the transfer of components over, and true one-hit machining.
Okay, you've excited us. Just remind us when the open house is, Steve.
It's from the 23rd of October to the 26th. The 26th is a Friday. It's for apprentices, really to encourage them and ignite their sort of know-how about what's happening in the machine tool world.